Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today's video is the September Bellabox unboxing. So let's get into it. So it is that time of month again. The Bellabox is here and this one won't close. So there's obviously a big goodie inside. So I'm so glad I got this today because the shipping email said I was going to get it after I left my trip, which is tomorrow. So I can get this up. Woo. So I'm really keen to see what is not shutting this box. So the card says, hello, yes, this is Glow Getter speaking. Okay. And we've got the products. So let's jump into the big boy. This is a Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask. 1 minute? Yes, please. Anything that's quick and easy is what I need in my life. Treat your hair to a dose of superfruit extracts with Garnier Fructis hair food. This gem can be used as a mask, conditioner, or leave-in treatment. Oh, cool, you can leave it in. I'll probably use it that way, to be honest. It will leave your locks feeling smooth and nourished. So this one is just a sample size of 100 mils, but it's still a decent size. The full size is 500 mils. Wait, no, it's not. There's multiple sizes, I think. You can get this 100 mil treat size for $6.95 at Chemist Warehouse. And you can get the 390 mil, which is the bigger one, for $11.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, Coles, Woolworths, and BW. So it's very much available to us. Garnier is a very accessible brand. So yeah, I'm very keen to try that out because I can leave it in. Like, I'm not gonna stand there in the shower and wait for a hair mask to work. Like, if I can just leave that in, that's brilliant for me. So next we have this one. This is the Invisible Ink Sheer Defense Facial Moisturizer. And it is SPF 50, so love that. Sheer Defense is lightweight moisturizer and high protection mineral sunscreen in one. Unlike chemical sunscreens that absorb the sun's UV rays, Visible Zinc uses naturally sourced zinc oxide to create a protective shield on the surface of your skin, reflecting the rays, which is why Invisible Zinc Sheer Defense might just be the most important beauty product you ever have. This one is just a sample size, but you get the full size for $34 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. So I'll definitely have to pack this with me on my trip tomorrow and try that one out. I'm very excited about this one. We have Bioderma. I absolutely love Bioderma. I use it all the time. So this will be a good little travel one. Maybe I should pop it in my suitcase as well. If you're looking for an easy makeup remover, Bioderma's H2O Micellar water is one to keep on your radar. This bestseller boasts a gentle and fragrance-free formula that removes makeup and impurities, ensuring the skin's natural balance is never compromised. It's suitable for all skin types, soothing, sensitive, and intolerant skin, while dry skin is always left feeling refreshed. The full size is 500 mils, $29.95 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. So yeah, I'm excited to pack this one and use it on my trip. The next one is a Wet n Wild lipstick. I got the shade What's Up Doc. This one is full size, available for $2.99 at discountbeautyboutique.com.au. So yeah, Wet n Wild's a brand that we haven't really had a lot of access to in Australia, but obviously we're starting to get more. We had a Wet n Wild nail polish in last month's box. Delivering a flush of colour to brighten your winter days, this lipstick is enriched with conditioning ingredients for the ultimate satin lip. The formula is infused with vitamins A and E and aloe vera, will give you a nourished pout and long-lasting moisture. You'll receive either the shade What's Up Doc, which is what I got, or Dark Pink Frost. It does feel really creamy. That's what the shade is there. So it's a beautiful coral color. It's definitely really fun to receive makeup products, and especially from brands that we don't usually get here in Australia. So yeah, I really like that we got that. And we also have another makeup product. This was the hero product that we got to like choose what we wanted, and I chose the blush shimmer brick from MCO Beauty. I think we're starting to receive more. I think there was a mascara in the A Beauty box in America for this. Yeah, we got to choose between a blush, bronzer, or concealer. I was too scared to choose the concealer because it'd be too dark, so I went for the blush. Luxury baked powers that instantly warm and enhance your skin to leave you with a flattering glow. Micronized color pigments reflect the light, and its easy to blend formula makes it perfect everyday staple. You will receive either the bronze shimmer brick or the blush shimmer brick. It's $18, available at mcobeauty.com and Woolworths. So let's get into this. So that's what it looks like. Probably I would just swirl them all together, to be honest. I feel like trying to use individual ones is going to be a bit hard. That's what it looks like. It's definitely a shimmery colour. But yeah, I'm really keen to try that one out. It's kind of like a glowy blush. Also have a little $5 off thing for Bioderma at Chemist Warehouse. It's until the 27th of September until the 10th of October. So I might use it. I don't know. I'll be away for the majority of that time, so we shall see. And for the bonus, we have the Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon and Extra Strength Serum. So the fact that we got 2 sachets as the bonus is really good. And these are both products I definitely need in my life. Things that are for frizzy hair, as you can see I have. I think I've gotten these before, so I'll definitely add this to my hair sample stash and see if I get to use it when I come home. There, that was everything in the box this month. I have to say, this was a really good box. Bellabox has been doing it really well the past few months. I think I've liked the last few boxes all like a lot. The fact that we got 2 makeup products is unbelievable. The Bioderma is addictive, so that was probably a dangerous one to put in, but I love it so much. This is definitely good since we are heading into warmer weather here in Australia as well. And this one being a multi-use hair product, not just a mask, that's it, you're done sort of thing. You get to use this in multiple ways. I think that's really good as well. So there's not a single product in here that I'm unhappy with, and that's rare. So this was a really awesome box. Like, I can't fault it at this point. The only thing I would say was that maybe if we got a bigger sample of this, and that because this one is such an inexpensive item as well. But yeah, there's not really much I could say badly about this. This was a really good box. I'm very impressed. So let me know what you got in your box down in the comments. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye guys.